Hey there YouTube and welcome to UATech, and today's video we are going to be making a tutorial on how to use Panzoid and how to make an outro using it. Now the first thing you want to do is open Panzoid, and here we are in Panzoid's menu. Now I did make a video of this before, how to make an intro, so make sure you guys watch that as well. So here we have a intro, and now I know a lot of you guys play Fortnite, so we're going to be choosing this Fortnite intro. If you guys don't want that intro, what you can easily scroll all the way down and click on more creations. But I'm going to open this one because I actually like it. So we're just going to see and review on how it looks. So the first thing, of course, you have to wait for it to load. And you can click on this little eye icon. And we have
how will you ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying. It's terrifying.
In this video, this is actually an intro. So in this video, we are going to be making an outro. So if you want to search for outro, so we're going to go all the way down and go to more creations. And you can just search for here and search for outro. And after searching, you can see that there are actually so many different types that you can choose from. So I'm just going to choose a random one that I like. I actually kind of like this one. So you're going to go ahead and select it, and you're going to click on open in Clipmaker, and it's going to be loading it in Clipmaker, and then you need to see and review everything. I really like it. So all you need to do is, of course, edit. So you can go into your objects folder, and you can go to the text that the person has done. So I'm just going to search, I'm just going to type tech, and then you can press enter. So make sure you guys press enter, because if you guys don't press enter, it will not save. So you're going to do the same thing. And there we go. So you can see the changes have been made here for UATech. Now I personally don't really have a Twitter account, so I'm just going to remove that. And I also don't have I don't have an Instagram. Actually, I do have an Instagram, so I'm going to put the Instagram that I have, and it's going to be UA World. Alright, so I have that Instagram, but I don't have a Twitter account. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. It's on Your World, and also Your World is my second channel. I will be putting the link in the description. Now we also have we have the subscribe button. As you can see, we can go ahead and make it closer, because I kind of want to make it visible. So we're going to put it closer, and also the TFM, I'm going to remove that. And so all you need to do is just like search for it. So the TMF is actually an image, and so then you can, since I have UATech already done, you have the flip, you have glitch. These are all the effects you can add, the person has added. I'm not going to do anything with that. So now let's just see what we have. We have the glitch effect and everything. Now the TFM, I cannot really change it because it is actually an image. But actually, when you are in YouTube, you can insert your own videos here in the square, 1 square and 2 square, and then your subscribe button in the middle. So you can do that. So you can just click on start video render and going to this download picture. And and it's going to take some time. So once it's done, I'll get back with you in a minute. And there we go, it is done. So you can easily download your video real quick, and it's going to open this, and as you can see, it is downloading. It is doing its job. Now it's going to take a bit of time, and then it's going to open your, and then you have your outro. Of course, you can see that you have the UATech on top. You have your little square here where you can add another video. You have another square here where you can add a video. Here you can add your subscribe button. Now I will be making another video on how to do that on YouTube. So we have our awesome outro. As you can see, it is ready. So that is our outro. So yeah, that's it for this video. So make sure you guys subscribe and click the notification bell for post notifications for the next video, which will be on how to insert a subscribe button and videos into your outro through YouTube. And also comment down below if this video was helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.